A new twist in a stepmom murder trial. We're talking about Letecia Stauch, Gannon Stauch's accused killer.
Seems she's no longer intent on representing herself in court, but will she accept the terms the court will now hand her? Good evening, I'm Bart Bedsole.
And I'm Heather Skold. Thanks for making us your choice for your news at 10 o'clock. The stepmom, accused of killing an 11-year-old boy in cold blood, is changing her mind about representing herself during trial. Letecia Stauch has now asked the judge for attorneys.
Back in February, Stauch made the decision to represent herself after not getting along with her lawyers. KRDO News Channel 13's Chase Golightly spoke with criminal defense experts today about this decision and what it could mean moving forward. Chase?
Bart, Heather, the judge will reappoint Letecia Stauch's previous lawyers in this case. I did speak to local attorneys who tell me this will actually speed up her trial rather than prolong it with a person who has absolutely no legal experience and no idea how the trial process works.
Letecia Stauch, the woman accused of killing her 11-year-old stepson Gannon back in 2020, wrote this letter, which has been redacted, asking to once again be represented by attorneys. A decision criminal defense attorney Patrick Micah says was a wise one.
It's a recipe for a bad outcome if you ever try to represent yourself. Terribly difficult for jurors. It's difficult for the judge.
Micah believes Stauch made this decision after getting overwhelmed with the more than 20,000 pages of evidence.
Volumes of documents that she would have to pour through without any legal training at all really would inhibit her ability to adequately and fairly represent herself.
Stauch was granted permission to represent herself in February, but it hasn't exactly gone smoothly. Most recently, she was denied jail library access after refusing to show up on time, crippling her ability to access the evidence in her case. Now, the judge has granted Leticia's request to have counsel reappointed, though he stopped short of granting her a change of counsel. They'll be the previous attorneys from the public defender's office. Stauch had requested a state attorney, claiming her previous team had withheld evidence from her. But criminal defense attorney Jeremy Lowe says that's not a call she gets to make.
Just because Ms. Stauch doesn't like her public defenders doesn't mean that she gets to have a private attorney appointed on her case.
Now, the attention turns to Wednesday, when the judge will officially reappoint her formal legal team. Lowe says it's possible that since Stauch didn't get her way, she may change her mind once again.
I believe what's most likely going to happen is when the judge reappoints the public defenders, she's going to again say, well, I'll just represent myself.
And this new development with the attorneys isn't the only piece of new information we learned today. We also obtained the prosecution's witness list. It names a few El Paso County Sheriff's deputies and an FBI agent, but one name that did stand out to us was Letecia Stauch's daughter. Reporting live in Colorado Springs, Chase Golightly, KRDO News Channel 13.